afternoon, everybody. Today we're gonna try that chocolate.
Kasi there's no, what's it called? Dubai chocolate. So, out of stock siya guys. Doon sa may Sainsbury's. They don't have it there. So, we have to go to Lind store. But
it tastes nice.
Okay.
It smells nice.
Go. It's a bit. It's so. There's something salty. Oh yeah. Because it's salted pistachio.
I just taste it right now.
For me, this is my second pistachio chocolate. The first one was Dubaco, that was 8.5 out of 10. I think this one would be, I think, similar, 8.5 out of 10. No? What's your score of this?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. So sa akin it's 8.5. It's good. The taste is good, but there's a bit salty inside. So, sweet and salty. So yeah, it's still yummy though. So we're waiting for the Lind Dubai chocolate. The pistachio, still the same pistachio. So yeah guys, 8.5 out of 10. Okay, we're gonna eat
10 out of 9.
Okay, one more. Do you like it? Salty siya, yung pistachio na may ano talaga.